This is a walkthrough for those of you who are having Advanced Mat Cleaner keep coming back. It's a new way that they're embedding extra program files. We're going to walk you through a quick and simple way. The one thing we always advise is try not to download anything extra onto your computer that might slow it down. But this is the only way we've been able to find a quick and free way to remove it. So the first thing you need to do is go to a website. It's called Malwarebytes. It's MALWAREBYTES.com. Go down, scroll down, and download the product according to your computer, either Windows or Mac. Download it. You want the free trial. You do not need to download and pay for this program, so this is a free trial that you can do. When you go into it and open it up, it's going to show you the Malwarebytes product. All you need to do is click the scan button, go through scan. I'm going to pause it here, but what it will end up doing is it will show you a threat found at the bottom, which will of course be your Advanced Mat Cleaner. When you do complete this, go to the quarantine files. Just open the show quarantine. It will show you all the files that are in here that are going to be quarantined, that are all with Advanced Mat Cleaner. Simply clear the quarantine files and delete them out, and your Advanced Mat Cleaner problem should go away. Obviously there's going to be more ways and tactics that they're going to use Advanced Mat Cleaner and try to download the spam program onto your computer. We'll continue to try to find new and advanced ways to do it, but for the time being, this at least gives you some opportunities to get rid of it, and hopefully the pop-ups go away. We've gotten reports back from other people saying that they have, so hopefully this helps out. Again, if you like these, please follow us and like our page and like these videos. We appreciate it. Thanks. Have a good day.